Hello dear friends. In the vast and magnificent universe of nature, the world of insects, though often overlooked due to their modest size, holds an irresistible allure and an astonishing complexity. This is not only a stage for graceful mating dances and masterfully built homes but also a fierce battlefield of cunning hunts and relentless survival wars. Among these wonders, one factor stands out, both fascinating and terrifying: venom, a secret biological weapon, the product of intricate evolution. Venom goes far beyond the common definition of poison. It is a complex chemical compound with extraordinary power. It serves not only as a tool for hunting and defense but also as a key for insects to compete for territory, survive, and thrive. From painful, irritating stings to dangerous reactions and even death, venom varies in its effects, revealing a mysterious and challenging chapter in the great book of natural biology. In this microscopic world, some insect species have surpassed others, mastering the use of venom as an ultimate weapon, becoming formidable miniature assassins. In today's video, we will explore the 12 most venomous and dangerous insect species in the world, proving that size is not the only factor that determines danger. Let's begin. 1. Velvet ant, cow killer ant. The velvet ant, often mistaken for an ant, is a clear example of the diversity and complexity of the insect world. In reality, it is a type of wingless wasp, with the female crawling on the ground in search of food, while the male possesses transparent wings. This difference creates a clever deception, leading many to believe they are simply ants. However, upon closer inspection, you'll notice that the female velvet wasp holds a secret weapon, a stinger located at the end of her abdomen. This stinger is not merely a tool for attack but a means to inject venom into its victim. Though its venom isn't the most potent among insects, the sting of the velvet ant can cause intense pain, especially in species like the cow killer wasp. Males lack a stinger and cannot sting. While not overly aggressive, velvet ants won't hesitate to attack if threatened. Both males and females can emit warning sounds by rubbing parts of their abdomen together, signaling they are in a defensive state. 2. Fire ant. Fire ants, with their flame red color, are highly social insects, known for their aggression and potential for massive damage. They are considered major pests in agriculture and residential areas, causing significant crop loss and becoming a nuisance to humans. When disturbed, fire ants respond aggressively, readily biting and stinging any perceived threat. Their bites cause intense pain, burning sensations, and result in itchy blisters that last for days. Their venom is a complex mix of chemicals that causes prolonged burning and can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. Just a few bites can be painful, but an attack by a large swarm may lead to serious symptoms like difficulty breathing, dizziness, and even anaphylactic shock. In Vietnam, fire ants are common. While their bites are typically not life-threatening, they can cause prolonged discomfort. In some cases, depending on a person's immune system, the venom can lead to more severe symptoms. 1. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is dubbed the most venomous spider in the world according to the Guinness World Records. It is considered one of the most terrifying creatures in the insect world. These spiders live in the tropical rainforests of South America, where they are most active at night. They do not build webs but instead roam on banana leaves or inside homes, causing fear among local residents. Measuring between 10 and 15 centimeters, Brazilian wandering spiders have a frightening appearance with brown or gray bodies and black stripes. Their venom contains neurotoxin, a substance that directly affects the nervous system, causing symptoms like dermatitis, fever, nausea, convulsions, and respiratory failure. Notably, their venom can also cause prolonged and painful erections in men, a highly unpleasant and dangerous side effect. 2. Scorpions. Scorpions are among the oldest animals on Earth, having existed for over 300 million years. They symbolize survival and strength, having lived through millions of years and various natural events while maintaining their unique characteristics. There are about 2,000 different scorpion species worldwide, with around 25 of them possessing venom dangerous to humans. Scorpions use their curved tails to inject venom when hunting or defending themselves. Their venom is a mix of proteins, enzymes, and other toxins that can cause reactions like dermatitis, fever, nausea, convulsions, and even heart failure. Some scorpion species have extremely potent venom that can be fatal to humans. 3. Black widow spider. The black widow spider is known for its shiny black body and a red hourglass-shaped mark on its abdomen. It is one of the most venomous spiders in the world, and its venom can cause severe health effects in humans. Black widows live in temperate regions of North America, where they spin webs to trap prey. Their venom contains latrotoxin, a neurotoxin that can cause symptoms such as dermatitis, fever, shivering, chest pain, breathing difficulties, and heart failure. Additionally, the venom can cause latrodectism, a condition characterized by muscle spasms and intense pain. Without timely treatment, bites from black widows can lead to death from respiratory or heart failure. 4. Parasitic larvae. The larvae of certain parasitic insects are often overlooked due to their harmless appearance, but they are actually a source of dangerous toxins. These larvae produce a compound called cantharidin, a potent toxin that causes dermatitis and can destroy digestive tract linings. Historically, cantharidin was thought to have aphrodisiac effects, but it actually poses serious health risks to humans. Contact with cantharidin can lead to skin irritation, itching, and severe discomfort. More seriously, ingesting these insects can result in death due to damage to the digestive system and other internal organs. 5. Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet, measuring 5 to 7.5 centimeters in length, is one of the largest and most dangerous insects in the world. It has not only a fearsome size but also a highly aggressive nature and the ability to attack in groups. These hornets are among the most violent insects on the planet, capable of causing serious harm to humans. A swarm can sting a person multiple times, injecting a large amount of venom. Their venom is a mix of toxins that can cause excruciating pain, heart failure, and even death. This species inhabits remote areas, including isolated islands near Japan, and has a relatively high fatality rate. Recently, they have invaded North America, sparking concern among the public and local authorities. 6. Monarch butterfly. With their vibrant beauty and delicate wings, monarch butterflies are often mistaken for harmless creatures. However, behind this alluring exterior lies a fascinating and potentially dangerous defense mechanism. The caterpillars of monarch butterflies have a unique diet of milkweed leaves, which contain toxic compounds. Interestingly, the caterpillars are unaffected by the toxins and instead store them in their bodies as cardenolides, a type of glycoside. These toxic substances can cause irregular heartbeats and even death if ingested in large amounts. However, it's important to note that this toxin accumulation primarily serves to protect them from predators. Monarch butterflies and their larvae generally pose no danger to humans under normal contact, except in cases of allergic reactions. They taste bitter and deter birds and mammals, ensuring their survival and reproduction. 7. Brown recluse spider. The brown recluse spider often hides in damp basements and sometimes crawls into shoes or bedding. This dangerous spider possesses venom capable of causing tissue necrosis. Its bite is usually painless at first, leading victims to be unaware of it. However, after a few hours or a day, the bite area begins to swell and become painful. Their venom can destroy skin cells, leading to necrosis. In many cases, victims require surgery to remove dead tissue. While not typically fatal, brown recluse bites can lead to serious complications and significantly affect the quality of life. 8. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, small and widespread, are among the most dangerous insects globally. They lack strong venom like other insects but are key vectors for many deadly infectious diseases, causing millions of deaths annually. Mosquitoes transmit diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and more. They spread disease by feeding on the blood of humans and animals, injecting viruses or parasites into the victim's body during the process. Their danger lies in their rapid spread and global prevalence. 11. Bullet ant. The bullet ant, approximately 2.5 centimeters in length, is renowned as the insect with the most painful sting in the world. Its bite is likened to being shot with a bullet, causing a paralyzing and excruciating pain. Those who have been bitten by the bullet ant claim that the pain is incomparable to anything else on Earth. One scientist described the pain as akin to walking barefoot on red-hot embers with a long nail driven into the foot. The bullet ant's venom contains a mixture of toxins that can cause intense pain lasting up to 24 hours. 12. Rove beetle, Pteris. Rove beetles are small insects with slender bodies resembling grains of rice. They have three distinct colored segments. The head and lower abdomen are black, while the thorax and upper abdomen are red. When rove beetles bite, the toxin pterin enters the body, causing dermatitis with symptoms such as heat rash, blistering, and ulcers. The injuries typically appear on exposed skin areas like the face, neck, chest, shoulders, and arms. If not treated promptly, these wounds can develop into red scars lasting for months. Especially if the toxin gets into the eyes, it can cause conjunctivitis, swelling of the surrounding tissues, and, in severe cases, temporary blindness. Therefore, rove beetles are dangerous insects that should be avoided, particularly during the rainy season when they tend to appear more frequently. Dear friend, the natural world, as an eternal rule, is always a vivid painting filled with countless wonders, yet sometimes it hides unforeseeable dangers. The existence of venomous insects is a profound reminder of the complexity and harsh laws of life. Instead of fostering fear and attempting to eliminate them, we should take a wiser approach, learning to live in peace, equipping ourselves with knowledge, and applying effective preventive measures. This journey begins with exploration. Discover the dangerous insects residing in your area, from the pterin-laden rove beetle that causes skin burns to the brown recluse spider lurking in the dark with necrotic venom. Identifying and understanding their behavior is key to safe responses. Don't forget the tiny yet deadly disease carriers like mosquitoes, the culprits behind deadly pandemics. Preventive measures play a decisive role. Protect yourself by wearing protective clothing when venturing into insect-prone areas, using insect repellent wisely, and keeping your home clean to prevent unwanted invasions. Remember, careful preparation is the most effective weapon. However, we also need a holistic view and respect for nature's balance. These venomous insects, though dangerous, are an indispensable part of the ecosystem, playing a vital role in the food chain and sustaining biodiversity. Let us view them with a more tolerant perspective, not merely as threats. Lastly, if you are unfortunately bitten or stung by an insect, stay calm. Clean the wound with soap and water, apply a cold compress to reduce swelling, and do not hesitate to seek medical help if severe symptoms appear. Caution and knowledge are trustworthy companions that help us live safely and harmoniously with the natural world. Dear friend, we have journeyed together through the mysterious world of 12 of the most venomous insects on the planet. A journey not only to admire the astonishing diversity but also to gain deeper insight into the harsh laws of nature. These seemingly small creatures hold immense power, integral parts of the ecosystem that also pose significant challenges to our safety. How shall we face these realities? Only with understanding, respect, and a strong sense of responsibility can we protect ourselves, preserve our living environment, and find balance in our relationship with the ever-changing natural world. What do you think about that? Do we have the courage to explore and live in peace with the wonders and dangers that nature offers? Let us reflect and take action for a safe and sustainable future.